Have you ever thought of putting pennies in a Ziploc bag filled with water and then tying it off with a rubber band? By the end of this video, you're definitely gonna need to give this life hack a try. You're gonna need about 5 or 6 pennies. People in the South swear by this and at restaurants. You can use any size Ziploc bag that you please, but go ahead and just put those pennies right on in there. This is gonna save you so much headache, so much heartache, and it's all natural. We love things all natural now, don't we? All right, let's go ahead and fill this bag up. Now you want to make sure that you seal your bag very well. This will all make sense in a minute. And if you can't get any of this excess air out, I'm going to try to do that. And then tie it off with a rubber band. Now I'm going to leave this part open right here. You'll see why in just a second. But look at those pennies in there. It's kind of wild. That reminds me when you go to the fair and get a goldfish. Thumbs up if you've ever done that before. You can do this little life hack inside your house and outside of your house. The key is to put it in an area where you suspect flies and wasps coming in, or if you're outside and you have a plethora of them driving you crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and put mine outside, and I'll tell you why in just a second why this works so well. Go ahead and hang my penny bag right there. Now, doesn't that look interesting hanging right here? I'm gonna show you a problem area in my home. We have to shut this garage door very quickly when we come inside. Why? Because our garbage cans are right outside our door for easy access in order to put the recyclables and garbage in there. However, those pesky flies, so I should be hanging some right around here. We also have a bit of a bug situation right here. In fact, you can see one right there. Here's the theory. Flies' eyes are very sensitive to light changes, and so the light refracts off the pennies right here. It's supposed to confuse the flies, causing them to fly away. So if you ever see a bag outside of a restaurant filled with water and pennies, now you will know why. This also works really well with aluminum foil. In fact, I prefer the aluminum foil to the pennies in a bag. Way easier cleanup. Flies also dislike cinnamon and peppermint, so if you have any of that laying around in your spice cabinet, give it a try. Now I know you probably think that I'm nuts, but this guy right here attests to the fact that this has helped in his home when it comes to all things flies. If you're looking for a clever additional Ziploc bag trick that you must know, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.